Getting ready to work a cable. A right cross cable. Thank you for the follows, dude. You want to see it? We're going to go up close here. In this particular pattern, well, that's kind of blurry, isn't it? Focus this a little better. There we go. There we go. You're still at the beginning. I was going to ask you about the needle. We'll wait. You're doing... Oh, I'll show you. Hey, Rivy. You've never gotten the hang of them? Okay. Skitty, thank you for the follow, dude. So I'm using this is called a cable needle. You don't have to use a specific needle for a cable needle. You can use anything you want. You can use a safety pin. You can use a double pointed needle. I just happen to have this little one. So I'm doing what's called a right cross, which means in this particular pattern, you get to the 4 stitches. There's 4 stitches before my marker. And you take 1 stitch off and you hold it behind the work. So I like this little cable needle with this little bump in it so you can hang this off the back and your stitch won't come off. And then you knit the next 3 stitches. So I have that 1 stitch hanging, and now I'm going to knit the next 3 stitches. And now the way this pattern has you do it, you slip the marker over at this point. I've just done 3, and now this last stitch that's back here, I'm going to put it back on my needle. And now I'm going to knit that 1 stitch. So this marker, the marker happens right in the middle of the cross. So I did my 3, and now I'm going to do my 1 stitch, and then I just keep on knitting. So that is the right cross. And when I get here to the other, this particular pattern has 2 different cables when you get to your markers. So when I get to this marker, I'll show you how to do the left cross. That was the right cross. You just happen to have needles like that? You've never done a cable yet? You don't have to use a specific cable needle, but you can use a double point. You can use, anything that's just going to hold that needle temporarily. All right, I'm here at the next cable. This is a left cross cable. So this one happens 3 stitches before the marker. The last one was 4 stitches before the marker. So this one is a left cross, and I'm going to take these 3 stitches and I'm going to pull them over onto the needle. And this time I'm not going to hang them in the back, I'm going to hang them in the front. So I just leave those sitting there. I'm going to knit 1, and now I'm going to put those 3 stitches back on my left needle. Just going to slide them back over onto my left needle, and then I'm going to knit them. So I knitted 1, and now I'm going to knit the 3 stitches I had brought to the front. I knit those, and then I put my marker back on. And then I keep knitting. So that's a left cross. So depending on which part of the pattern you're in, whether you're in this section or this section, the left cross and the right cross switch. So you just have to read your directions to know where you're at in the pattern, because on some parts it's a left cross first and then a right cross, and then up here it's a right cross first and then a left cross. But at least that should help you see how you do it, how you move your markers at the same time that you're doing the crossover.